on the topic the importance of emotional health for a happy life. First of all, let me introduce myself. This is Monali Sur from Future Campus School, Kolkata. And also let me thank Arihant for giving me such an opportunity to speak out own thoughts. So, what do you all understand by emotional health? Emotional health is an important aspect for the overall health. Those people who are emotionally healthy, they are in control of their thoughts, their behaviors, their feelings. In fact, they can cope up with the life's challenges that come to them. They know how to get out of the negative thoughts. They know themselves very well, and also they can make a good impact on the society. But don't mix it up with the mental health, because mental health influences your own thoughts, your own actions with some points like psychological, social, emotional. Because emotional health is somewhat similar to mental health, but it still differs in some aspects. Because it's an fundamental aspect of foster resilience, self-confidence, and overall contentment. Being emotionally healthy doesn't mean you always have to be happy. It means that you are aware of your emotions. You can cope up with them. Because even the emotionally healthy people feel sadness, angry, depression, frustration, but they know what is bad for them and they can cope up with it, and they can also tell others when they think that the things are going out of their control. So research shows us that there are some points by which you can expand your emotional health point, because it is a type of skill. Like beware of your emotions, your actions. Do find reasons and meaning of what you do, and do notice what in your life makes you sad, makes you frustrated. Get out of that. Do change them. Do give time to yourself. Do notice that what makes you happy. Give importance to them, to those who are influencing good impacts on you. Do not entertain those so-called classmates or peoples who are influencing bad impacts in your personal life. All these things can make you much and much better. Because if you make any mistakes with yourself or with your loved ones, you may regret. Make yourself strong from your emotional point, and don't let others to trigger on that. Thank you.